Many people today rely on probiotic supplements to support their gut health. Probiotics are often promoted as an easy solution for improving digestion and restoring balance inside the digestive system. However, in recent years, scientists and nutrition researchers have started exploring another interesting possibility. Certain natural spices that have been used in traditional diets for centuries may also influence the balance of bacteria living inside the gut. The human digestive system is home to trillions of microorganisms, and maintaining the right balance between beneficial and harmful bacteria is essential for overall health. When this balance becomes disrupted, digestion may suffer and inflammation may increase. Interestingly, some commonly used spices contain natural compounds with antimicrobial properties. These compounds may help slow the growth of harmful microbes while supporting a healthier environment for beneficial bacteria. In today's discussion, we will explore how gut bacteria influence many aspects of human health and why maintaining microbial balance inside the digestive system is so important. We will also take a closer look at one simple spice that contains powerful plant compounds that may help support digestive balance and colon health naturally. Understanding how everyday foods influence the gut microbiome may provide a simple and natural way to support better digestion and overall well-being. Why gut health is so important. The digestive system is far more complex than many people realize. Inside the human gut lives an enormous community of microorganisms that includes bacteria, fungi, and other microbes. Together, these organisms form what scientists call the gut microbiome. The gut microbiome contains trillions of bacteria, many of which play important roles in maintaining health. These microorganisms help break down food, assist with nutrient absorption, and produce certain vitamins that the body needs to function properly. Gut bacteria also influence several major systems in the body. They play a role in digestion by helping break down complex carbohydrates and fibers that the body cannot digest on its own. They contribute to immune function by helping the body recognize harmful pathogens. They also participate in regulating inflammation, which is closely linked to many chronic diseases. In addition, researchers have discovered that the gut microbiome may influence metabolism and even brain function. Communication between the gut and the brain occurs through what scientists call the gut-brain axis, a complex signaling system that connects digestive health with mood, cognitive function, and overall mental well-being. When the gut microbiome remains balanced, beneficial bacteria help maintain a healthy digestive environment. However, when this balance becomes disrupted, harmful bacteria may begin to dominate. This imbalance is known as gut dysbiosis. Gut dysbiosis can affect digestion and overall health in several ways. Some individuals may experience persistent bloating or abdominal discomfort. Others may notice fatigue, irregular bowel movements, or difficulty digesting certain foods. Poor microbial balance may also contribute to inflammation within the digestive tract. Because the gut microbiome plays such a central role in digestion, immunity, metabolism, and inflammation, maintaining a healthy microbial balance has become one of the most important areas of modern nutritional research. In the next section, we will explore what happens when harmful bacteria begin to overgrow in the digestive system and how this imbalance may affect colon health. What happens when harmful gut bacteria overgrow? Inside the digestive system, the balance between beneficial and harmful bacteria plays a critical role in maintaining overall health. Under normal conditions, beneficial microbes help regulate digestion, support immune function, and maintain the protective environment of the intestinal lining. However, when this balance is disrupted, harmful bacteria may begin to multiply more rapidly than beneficial ones. This overgrowth can gradually lead to several changes inside the digestive tract. One of the most common effects is inflammation. When harmful bacteria dominate the gut environment, they can trigger immune responses that lead to irritation and inflammation within the intestinal lining. Over time, this inflammation may contribute to digestive discomfort and reduced digestive efficiency. Another consequence of bacterial imbalance is the production of certain metabolic byproducts, sometimes referred to as microbial toxins. These compounds are produced as bacteria break down nutrients inside the gut. When harmful bacteria become too abundant, they may generate substances that irritate the digestive tract and interfere with normal metabolic processes. As a result, individuals may begin experiencing symptoms such as bloating, gas, abdominal discomfort, and irregular bowel movements. In some cases, persistent microbial imbalance may also weaken the body's immune defenses. This occurs because a large portion of the immune system is closely linked to the digestive tract. When the microbial environment of the gut becomes unstable, immune regulation may also be affected. Another important concern involves the integrity of the intestinal lining. The inner wall of the digestive tract acts as a protective barrier that controls which substances are absorbed into the bloodstream. Harmful bacteria can sometimes disrupt this barrier by damaging the cells that line the intestines. When this protective lining becomes compromised, nutrient absorption may become less efficient. The body may struggle to properly absorb vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients from food. Over time, this can contribute to fatigue, reduced energy levels, and decreased overall health. Because of these potential effects, maintaining a healthy balance of gut bacteria is essential for supporting digestion, immune stability, and proper nutrient absorption. Why many people turn to probiotics? In recent years, probiotics have become one of the most widely used supplements for supporting gut health. Probiotics are live microorganisms that are designed to introduce beneficial bacteria into the digestive system. These beneficial microbes are intended to help restore balance within the gut microbiome. The idea behind probiotics is relatively simple. By introducing additional beneficial bacteria into the digestive tract, these supplements may help crowd out harmful microbes and support a healthier microbial environment. Many probiotic products contain strains of bacteria that naturally exist in the human gut, including species of Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium. For some individuals, probiotics may help improve digestive comfort, support regular bowel movements, and contribute to a healthier microbial balance. However, probiotics do not always produce the same results for everyone. Some people report experiencing temporary digestive changes when beginning probiotic supplements. These changes may include mild bloating, gas, or shifts in bowel patterns while the gut microbiome adjusts to the new bacterial strains. In other cases, probiotic supplements may produce inconsistent results depending on the individual's existing gut environment, diet, and overall lifestyle. Because each person's microbiome is unique, the effectiveness of probiotics can vary widely. For this reason, researchers have increasingly begun studying another approach to supporting gut health. Instead of introducing new bacteria into the digestive system, certain natural foods and spices may influence the microbial environment by affecting the growth and activity of existing gut bacteria. These dietary compounds may help create conditions that favor beneficial microbes while discouraging the overgrowth of harmful ones. This area of research has led scientists to explore how certain plant compounds found in everyday spices may support microbial balance inside the digestive system. In the next section, we will take a closer look at one commonly used spice that contains natural compounds known for their antimicrobial and digestive supporting properties. The spice that supports gut balance. Among the many spices used in traditional cooking, one ingredient has attracted particular attention for its potential influence on digestive health: cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is made from dried chili peppers and has been used for centuries in various culinary traditions around the world. Beyond its distinctive heat and flavor, cayenne pepper contains a natural compound known as capsaicin, which is responsible for its spicy sensation. Capsaicin has been widely studied for its biological effects within the human body. Researchers have discovered that this compound may influence several physiological processes related to digestion, circulation, and inflammation. One of the most interesting properties of capsaicin is its natural antimicrobial activity. Certain plant compounds found in spices can help inhibit the growth of specific microorganisms. This does not necessarily mean they eliminate all bacteria, but they may help create an environment where harmful microbes struggle to overgrow. Cayenne pepper may also stimulate digestive activity. Spices have long been known to trigger digestive reflexes that increase the production of saliva, gastric juices, and digestive enzymes. These processes help the body break down food more efficiently. Another benefit of capsaicin is its potential ability to support healthy circulation. Improved circulation helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to tissues throughout the digestive system, including the stomach and intestines. When circulation improves, digestive organs may function more efficiently. Because of these combined effects, antimicrobial activity, digestive stimulation, and improved circulation. Some researchers believe that cayenne pepper may help support a healthier microbial balance inside the digestive tract. Although spices are not a cure for digestive disorders, incorporating them into a balanced diet may help create conditions that support better gut function over time. How this spice may influence gut bacteria. To understand how cayenne pepper may influence gut health, it helps to look more closely at the biological effects of its active compound, capsaicin. One way capsaicin may support digestive balance is by influencing the growth of certain microorganisms within the gut environment. Some laboratory studies suggest that capsaicin may slow the growth of specific harmful microbes while allowing beneficial bacteria to thrive under the right conditions. This selective influence may help maintain a healthier microbial balance inside the digestive system. Capsaicin may also stimulate the production of digestive enzymes. Digestive enzymes play a crucial role in breaking down carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into smaller molecules that the body can absorb. When enzyme production increases, food may be processed more efficiently, reducing the chances of undigested material remaining in the digestive tract. Another important factor involves gut motility, which refers to the movement of food through the digestive system. Healthy gut motility helps prevent stagnation inside the intestines and supports regular bowel movements. Capsaicin has been shown to stimulate certain nerve receptors in the digestive tract that may help promote these natural movements. When digestion becomes more efficient and intestinal movement remains regular, the gut environment becomes less favorable for harmful bacteria that thrive in stagnant conditions. These combined effects, supporting digestive enzyme activity, improving gut motility, and influencing microbial balance, may help create a healthier digestive environment overall. Interestingly, the use of spices to support digestion is not a new concept. Many traditional cultures have long included spices such as chili peppers, ginger, turmeric, and garlic in their meals specifically because of their digestive benefits. Modern nutritional research is now beginning to explore the scientific mechanisms behind these traditional practices. While cayenne pepper alone cannot replace a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, incorporating it into meals in moderate amounts may contribute to a digestive environment that supports microbial balance and colon health. The best way to use cayenne pepper for gut health. Although cayenne pepper contains beneficial plant compounds, the way it is used can influence how well it supports digestion. Because cayenne is naturally very potent, only small amounts are typically needed to experience its digestive stimulating effects. One simple way to incorporate cayenne pepper into the diet is by adding a small pinch to warm beverages or meals. Warm liquids may help activate digestive reflexes in the stomach and intestines, allowing spices to interact more effectively with the digestive system. For example, some people add a pinch of cayenne pepper to warm lemon water in the morning. Lemon provides vitamin C and natural plant acids that stimulate digestive activity, while cayenne pepper may support circulation and enzyme production. Together, these ingredients may help prepare the digestive system for the day. Cayenne pepper can also be added to soups, vegetable dishes, or sauces. When combined with other spices such as ginger, garlic, or turmeric, it creates a blend of plant compounds that may support digestive balance. However, moderation is important. Because cayenne pepper is strong, using excessive amounts may irritate sensitive stomachs. Most nutrition experts recommend starting with very small quantities and gradually adjusting according to individual tolerance. When used appropriately as part of a balanced diet, cayenne pepper may serve as a natural way to support digestive function and microbial balance. A simple gut-supporting morning drink. One practical way to incorporate digestive supporting ingredients into a daily routine is through a simple morning drink. After a night of fasting, the digestive system begins transitioning back into active metabolism. Providing hydration and digestive stimulation early in the day may help support this transition. A basic gut support drink can be prepared using a few simple ingredients commonly found in many kitchens. Ingredients: 1 cup warm water, 1/2 lemon, freshly squeezed, a small pinch of cayenne pepper, 1/2 teaspoon grated fresh ginger, 1 teaspoon honey, optional. Preparation: add the lemon juice and grated ginger to a cup of warm water. Stir gently and add a small pinch of cayenne pepper. If desired, a teaspoon of honey may be added to soften the flavor. Drink slowly in the morning before breakfast. Why this drink may help. Warm water helps hydrate the digestive system after sleep. Lemon may stimulate digestive secretions and support bile production. Ginger contains compounds known to support digestive comfort and gut motility. Cayenne pepper may stimulate circulation and digestive enzyme activity. Together, these ingredients create a gentle drink that may help activate digestion and support a balanced gut environment. Daily habits that support colon health. While certain foods and spices may help support digestion, gut health is influenced by many aspects of daily lifestyle. Small habits practiced consistently over time can play a major role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. One of the most important factors is dietary fiber intake. Fiber serves as food for beneficial gut bacteria and helps maintain regular bowel movements. Whole foods such as vegetables, fruits, legumes, and whole grains provide the fiber that supports microbial diversity. Hydration is another essential component of digestive health. Water helps soften stool, supports nutrient transport, and assists the body in removing waste products efficiently. Fermented foods may also contribute to gut health by providing natural sources of beneficial bacteria. Foods such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi have long been part of traditional diets that support digestion. Regular physical activity can further improve digestive function. Movement stimulates intestinal contractions that help food move smoothly through the digestive tract. Finally, adequate sleep and stress management are often overlooked aspects of gut health. Chronic stress can disrupt the gut-brain axis and affect the balance of digestive bacteria. By combining healthy lifestyle habits with supportive foods and spices, individuals can help maintain a digestive environment that supports long-term colon health. Common mistakes that harm gut health. While many people focus on adding beneficial foods to their diet, it is equally important to recognize habits that may negatively affect the gut microbiome. One of the most common contributors to microbial imbalance is excessive consumption of refined sugar. Diets high in sugar may encourage the growth of harmful bacteria and yeast inside the digestive tract. Ultra-processed foods can also disrupt gut health. These foods often contain additives, preservatives, and artificial ingredients that may interfere with microbial diversity. Frequent antibiotic use, when not medically necessary, may also affect gut bacteria. Antibiotics are designed to eliminate harmful microbes, but they can also reduce populations of beneficial bacteria within the digestive system. Chronic stress is another factor that may influence gut health. Stress hormones can affect digestion, gut motility, and microbial balance. Finally, diets that are very low in fiber may deprive beneficial bacteria of the nutrients they need to thrive. Without adequate fiber, microbial diversity may gradually decline. Recognizing these common habits can help individuals make more informed dietary and lifestyle choices that support digestive health. The digestive system plays a central role in maintaining overall health, and the balance of bacteria inside the gut influences many functions throughout the body. When the gut microbiome remains balanced, digestion, immunity, and metabolic processes tend to function more efficiently. Natural foods and spices have long been used in traditional diets to support digestive health. Cayenne pepper in particular contains capsaicin, a compound that may stimulate digestion, support circulation, and influence the microbial environment within the gut. While no single ingredient can completely transform gut health on its own, combining supportive foods, healthy lifestyle habits, and balanced nutrition can help create an environment that supports a healthier digestive system. Small daily habits, such as staying hydrated, eating fiber-rich foods, incorporating beneficial spices, and maintaining an active lifestyle, may contribute to long-term digestive wellness.